word from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quirk Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Bruised egos?
Excuse me, Captain.
I just
We have
heard
more
that
pressing
for the
issues.
first time.
We urgently
Bruised
need your assistance.
egos.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that
I
he
see
has a
something
spring where his leg should
unusual
be
about
to be
you,
quite
and that's
puzzling.
your fucking
And why do you
eyeball
think that
glitching through
is?
your face.
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
But yeah. So don't be one of those customers that think the world revolves around you, because newsflash, it doesn't. And if you work in sales, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And if you don't work under sales and think, oh, it's the easiest job ever, remember, we have to deal with you, like the people that don't work in sales and cry and whine when something doesn't turn out their way, and they're going, oh, my life's so much harder, when in reality you guys get paid better and can make money to sustain life, where I am getting hour cuts and only working 17 hours a week, going, oh shit, I don't got no money, what the fuck do I do, man?
These moving walls also function as jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until
Oh
you
god.
reach the top.
Oh, that was... Well, that was depressing. I was doing so good too. I want a slingshot. I want the slingshot. Once I complete this, I get the slingshot, which means I can go back to the second world and complete that opposite side thing. Of course, I'm gonna complete this planet altogether first.
Listen up, you loud balls! That
Hey,
was the
fat ass.
most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
I wonder if
finish
she
the
would
circuit,
weigh a
man.
lot more than she
Oh, yeah,
looks
but
just
it
because
is
she's a
weak,
robot.
weak.
Better yet, how does a robot get
I
that
would
fat
devour courses like
and
that
have
for
jiggle
breakfast.
physics? Like,
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill
Drill,
for the
drill.
rest of the day.
I love to
But
drill.
somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
Alright, let's see it.
I want
so
to be a
fast.
butterfly.
Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad, life's not fair.
Games teaching you early that quote-unquote life is not fair.
Sweet.
Something every
I bet
kid needs to
Captain
know.
Quark uses stuff like
By the
this
time
all
they're
the
fucking
time.
10, life's not fair.
Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron swing.
Don't care, bitch. Figure it out on my own. No, she makes us pay like $1,000 for the slingshot, but like the actual slingshot probably costs a lot more than that. So she's just like, I'm gonna pocket $1,000. Why not?
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Don't care, bitch. Oh, nope. Well, that went well. I can't get that gold bolt either, because I can't fucking fly yet. Die. Man, don't run away. I just want to be your friend. Can't we be buddies? Nope, not happening. Hey man. What's up? Wanna be friends? We can be friends. Man, we can be friends. Oh god, no. You don't like friendship. You don't enjoy the friendship. Okay. Shouldn't you be on the opposite? Fuck you. No, fuck off.
Did you know that you have a map available to you at all times? Just
Get back here.
access the left button to view a map of this planet.
Dog, back here. Come here, man. Fuck you. There we go. What's up, bitch? I don't care about the... Ow. Map, see? There's a map. What a surprise. Like, I'm gonna need this in the most linear game ever. Like, yeah, in future games, like future installments, the map becomes less linear to the point of me getting lost, but this is like the most linear game ever. The first one, at least. Like, yeah, there's two directions, but that's it. It's like, oh, whatever. Hey man, don't shoot me. Boop. Oh, that was fucking awesome. Dude, where you going? Okay. Fuck you. I want to be your friends. I want to hug you. You fucking shoot me.
Remember? He knows
You could
Captain
see
Quark.
through his
Hey,
jacket
you're
there.
that robot guy, right?
No, actually,
You can see through
built
half of his
I
body.
myself am not a robot guy. per
Jesus.
se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So now that we've cleared that up,
Like, he has a
what can I do for you?
crack
Well,
down the
we saw
front
the
of his
Infobot announcement.
outfit.
You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic
Like-
is commendable. However, I haven't seen
Look
Captain
at that-
Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch, since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
You look fucking barbaric, and I hate how you look. Like, look at his outfit. Look at this shit. The bottom half of his body doesn't turn, but the top half does, and it just stretches. Like that is... Oh my god. I've never noticed how bad the remaster is. This looks complete... Like, it looks good. I love this series. And for a remaster, it's pretty decent.
Am I cool
Compared to, like, the Jack remakes and stuff
You the
like
man,
that.
Clank.
You're welcome.
But this just looks like fucking anus when it comes down to it.
Try using the helipad.
I don't fucking care, bitch.
You'll need your new helipad stretch jump.
Shut up. God, she just doesn't stop talking. She's so naggy.
Try using the
She's
throttle
worse than my
feature of
mother.
the new helipad. Jump, and then press and hold the X button in the middle to fly.
Fuck off. Give me your money. Yeah. I'm almost dead. And so far I've gone down $2,000. I was at 10,000, now I'm at 8. My money's falling faster than the fine grows on subscription rate. And I don't care how old that reference is by the time this video comes out. Do not care. I still think it's an acceptable reference, considering it's only happened in the last like 2 days. So, at least 2 days from the time of recording, which is the 2nd of February. And I know for a fact that this won't come out until halfway through the month, so less acceptable, but still acceptable. Maybe by this time they're gonna stop being tool bags. But that's probably what's gonna happen. Or they're gonna disappear in obscurity. Hey man. Oh, come on, dude. Oh god! Oh, come on. Man, I'm just trying to be your friend. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, health. Thank God. I think I'm at like 2 health. Yep. Oh, almost at 9,000. I forget what one of the best weapons is in this game. Like, I know that they don't upgrade to better weapons, so I don't fully remember which weapon was better than the other, and like, I'm pretty sure by the end of the game it was just like, have the biggest arsenal you can get, because why the fuck not? More weapons you have, more damage you can do, right? Right? Sure, man. Mind you, I enjoy this game's absurd weapons, like, at least by the end of it. Like, I know that they have, for the new game coming out soon, they have like the Pixeler or something if you pre-order the game, which I have done, so I get to play with that cool, neat weapon. God, that's still the easiest, like, boss fight, quote-unquote boss fight in the game. It's just like, walk up to a guy, hit. Walk up to a guy, hit. Walk up to a guy. Oh, he fell off the edge again. Oh cool, I'm at max health. So, I forget some strategies of dealing with this guy. Oh fuck, like he's gonna drop something on my face. Oh god! Money. 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 And health. Hey, little robot. Show me your innards.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
This guy blatantly
destroying
kills
yet
people
another
to get his planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
So we got to the point where
that
people
lieutenant
don't
doesn't
control
seem so
little
tough.
parts of lands
Let's take him
on
out
a planet.
ourselves.
They control
Perhaps we
whole
can persuade the
planets.
lieutenant to tell us
So
where Drek is.
instead of like
you're
18 fucking like mayors or shit in one like island, there's just one guy controlling everything that's happening on an entire planet. Which I don't know if that's better or worse. Like, either you're gonna have an entire planet, kind of like North Korea, where, you know, everyone's getting fucking tortured and beat, and everyone has to have the same shitty, dopey-ass haircut. Or you get to the point where you have, like, the most, like the most superior society, like, with fucking floating vehicles, and everyone gets paid equally and have money to live, a house, family if they want it, like everything is perfect type deal. Of course that possibility a lot less likely, and if it actually happened that would be cool, but I think there would be a lot more like North Korea scenarios. You talk down to me, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna do it. Mind you, seemingly all these planets are fucking inhabited by flamethrowers and fucking things that just want to kill anything that's furry and yellow, so, you know, that's good. Good shit.
You can use the right analog stick to control the camera.
I don't need the camera. I'm just controlling it as I go.
You can reverse your camera controls.
I
Select
don't
camera
care.
from the
You
options
could have told me this like years ago. Now I'm used to this shit. You dumb fucking robot bitch. Skill point, bitch. I am the best. I'm just gonna fill all of my inventory with gadgets and nothing
Using the
else.
latest in precision laser technology. The Gadgetron.
I don't care about your laser technology. I just want to play with the laser technology.
Lasers are.
I don't care. Lasers are fun. That's what lasers are. Okay, so the next thing I have to go to is a completely new planet. Oh god, almost done. I need to go to the lumber planet, where they have lots and lots of trees. So it's basically a planet that is Canada. It's a Canadian planet. Canadian planet. Maple syrup. Bacon.